Hi there. If you're ready to break into tech and create a high paying career, then you're in the right place. I'm Jennifer, and today I'm sharing the 6 steps, this is what I call the skills method, that has helped me pivot from a $40K per year job in technical support to landing a 6-figure offer as a QA engineer. I use these exact steps to build a thriving career in tech, and now I've also helped hundreds of others make the same pivot without any prior experience. So, grab your free worksheet, a pen, and let's get started. Each of these 6 steps will guide you through making a successful career transition. Just like me, you don't need any prior experience, certifications, or degree to make this change. Only determination and the willingness to learn. I'll use my own examples from my own journey into QA or quality assurance to show you how these steps can transform your career. Now, what is a software tester? Before we dive in, let's talk about what a QA engineer, or AKA a software tester, does. In simple terms, a software tester's job is to make sure that a software works as it should. We test applications, report issues, and help developers fix problems before the products actually reach the users. If you're detail-oriented, analytical, and enjoy problem solving, this role can be a perfect fit, even if you're new to tech. Our first step is to start. Start where you identify your superpowers, aka your transferable skills. For me, coming from a technical support role, I already had strengths in problem solving, communication, and attention to detail. These are the exact qualities that help me succeed in QA. I recommend using a skills audit to help you map out what you're good at. You can check out the skills audit at tillhq.com. It really helped me identify my own strengths and how they could translate into a tech career. Now, take this time to write down any skills that stand out. This is your starting point for showcasing what makes you unique and valuable to a potential employer. Next up is know. In this step, I focus on building my QA foundation. Here are some skills that help me get started: manual testing, API testing, Postman, database testing, MySQL, SQL, Jira, Zephyr, Confluence, Selenium, and BrowserStack. To build your foundation, I suggest using resources like YouTube, Udemy, Coursera, LinkedIn, and even Pluralsight. For me, a mix of self-learning and hands-on practice was key. Write down which resources resonate with you and start with what feels manageable. You don't need to be an expert right away. Just build a solid base. Now, let's talk about improve. This step is where you update your resume to show that you're ready for tech roles. For me, framing my support experience to highlight my problem solving and analytical skills made a big difference. Hiring managers need to see how your previous roles relate to QA. For example, check out resume samples on tillhq.com. Their platform can help you reconstruct your resume to emphasize skills that are valuable in QA. Next, it's time for you to list achievements or skills that you want to highlight. By aligning your experience with what hiring managers are looking for, you'll make your resume stand out. Now it's time for you to level up and prepare for the interviews. A strong tell me about yourself can make a huge impact. Here's an example of how I explain my pivot into QA. With a background in technical support, I bring an analytical mindset that's ideal for quality assurance. I've consistently focused on solving user issues and communicating solutions effectively. And now I'm excited to apply these skills into software testing. Now it's time for you to use the blank space and jot down ideas for your intro. Practicing this will make you feel more confident about how to explain your career shift. Next is load. Load your profile into the market. I found LinkedIn to be essential for getting noticed, so I updated my profile to showcase my new skills. I also use job search automation tools like AI Apply and Massive, which made it easy to get my application out there quicker. Think about keywords like QA engineer or software tester for your LinkedIn profile. Write down any specific skills or projects you want to highlight. This helps recruiters see you're ready for tech. Finally, let's score those interviews and keep going until you get that yes. Interviewing can feel intimidating at first, but practice makes perfect. I learned to treat each interview as an opportunity to improve, and I took notes on tough questions or skills to work on. Now, go use the blank space to jot down any interview feedback or notes on how you can improve. Each interview brings you closer to landing a role. Persistence will pay off. These 6 steps transformed my career and brought me from a 40K job in technical support to 6-figure offers as a QA engineer. You've just taken the first steps towards owning your success in tech. And if you're ready to take the next step, I love to invite you to my free 60-minute training. You're already a software tester, you just don't know it yet. In this session, I'll show you exactly how close you are already and how you can land a successful career in tech. Click the link now and I'll see you there.